to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro.
It's Bigg Vic TV.
Hey, welcome to my world.
What is up, guys? Your man Bigg Vic back in here with another video, and guess who's back in FL Studio 20 for Mac with the hip-hop joint. So I had to go in and cook up another Bigg Vic banger in FL Studio 20 hip-hop, kind of a 90s 2000 maybe type joint for y'all. But let me say this first and foremost, I still have not received the beta for Reason 11 yet. Propeller Heads, what we doing? What y'all waiting for? Send me the beta so I can beta test this thing and see if I can possibly pull it up in FL Studio 20, since I'm so used to using certain instruments in Reason, especially my Subtractor bass. I love that bass. Like, that's one of my favorite basses in Propeller Head Reason. I'm gonna play this joint. I'm gonna answer the question, like, what's so special about FL Studio 20's piano roll? It's very, very special, and there's a reason why I call it special, and why it's super, super, super easy, and why so many cats out here are continuously making hits using this software. The button clicking producers, but they getting checks, you feel me? So let's go ahead and jump in this joint. I'm gonna play the beat, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna go through the features that I feel are incredible in FL Studio 20 as far as the piano roll goes, because I haven't really dug super deep into this thing. I'm still fresh. So let's play the beat and see what we think, see what y'all think. Let's crack it. Let's crank it up. Let's go. Ice cold, baby. Nah, that's kind of cold right there. That's pretty cold. That one is pretty cold. So let me show y'all why I say this piano roll is pretty incredible. So let me get this mic over here so I can. If you look here, first and foremost, I'm clicking here, like, it's so quick to come in and shift my drums. If I want a certain swing on my drums, I can put a swing on it immediately right here. Like, I don't have to go and pull up too much more, go searching for MPC swing type swing. I can adjust my kick drum right from here. There's so many different things I can do with this kick drum, you know. So many different things I can do with it, right? And here, like, this tool is like, oh my goodness. And my clap. So let's go here. So for instance, my clap was originally hitting with my snare drum, like right on the snare. So I wanted my clap to have just a little shift. I wanted to shift my clap up just a little bit to give it a little, you know, just a slight delay right behind my snare drum to give it a nice little swing, you know. And I was able to do that just by shifting it here. You know, it was originally here, and I moved it up right about here to give it a nice shift. So let me just kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's turn these off. Let's play that. So originally it was here, hitting right on with it. So you see the difference just by that shift. So that's a feature that I really love in here. I mean, they got arpeggiators already built into the drum machine pretty much, or the, what is it called? The drum sequencer, you know, for the drums. So it's already, this stuff is already built into just this, you know, this preset type stuff. Delays, whatever you want to do, like pitch and stuff. There's a lot that's already in here. So I was able to do that. I love that feature. So let's just talk about this piano roll real quick. Let me come here. And I happen to use the, what is this? Citrus. I happen to use Citrus for my piano for this. Let me pull up the piano roll. So what makes this piano roll incredible to me is if I hit tools right here, you got a Riff Machine. I didn't even click it, but I know what that's for. If I want to take my notes and make them, turn them into riffs, I can chop them, arpeggiate them, I can strum them. If I wanted to strum something over a reason, I have to either do it manually or I have to get a rack extension to create strumming for my piano or guitars. You know, it's able to be done in Reason, of course, but it's just a lot faster, more efficient over here in FL Studio 20. You got limiter, flip, if you want to flip it, randomize it, scale levels. And here's what helps really make this thing a straight beast right here. If I come to, where is it? Here? Like right here. If I really wanted to come in and if I want to hit one note, if I click one of these and I come down and I hit one of these notes, it's automatically going to give me my minor sevenths for whichever key I hit automatically. It's just going to paste it right in for me. Minor ninths, like all your octaves here, whatever you want to create, whatever you want to use, you can actually do it with one click of the button. Now you see why cats are able to come into the software and start banging out trap beats, trap beats so fast, trap soul beats, R&B, whatever you want to create. That's why these cats are able to make this stuff super fast. Simply because they make it simple for you. They make it kind of like a no-brainer over here, you know, without using any other plugins. Like, it's super simple. But that's why this piano roll is incredible. Like, it's really the piano roll to model after, you know. It's the piano roll I feel like Reason should be looking at and throwing inside of Reason. All right, so anyway, that's it. Hope y'all guys enjoyed that cold hip hop beat. And I actually played all of that out, pretty much all of that out on my MIDI controller. So I didn't like copy and paste anything in there, other than made a few adjustments with my bass line once I put that in there. That's pretty much the track, y'all. That's pretty much why FL Studio 20 is probably gonna be in my workflow now. Simple and plain, it's gonna be in my workflow. So if you're a FL Studio 20 head, get ready for some FL Studio 20 beats on my channel and some walkthroughs, tutorials. I'm gonna add this element to the channel. So FL Studio gang, Reason gang, we here now. All right, Bigg Vic is on deck. Y'all know what it is. Always hustle, never stop growing. Make sure y'all drop some comments in the bottom, in the box. Thumbs this up, thumbs down twice if you don't like it. It's all gravy, baby. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.